Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing materials and forming the first layers, because strength comes from tight folds and overlapping adhesive. Fold each sticky note into a 1/2-inch strip, pressing the adhesive edge firmly. This creates the base. Once done, stack 2 folded strips, align edges, and tape the seam. Make sure to run tape along both sides to prevent peeling. You should see a narrow, flexible band. Repeat until you have 3 bands per finger, since layered strips distribute force and reduce tearing. Now you shape and join those bands to form a claw, focusing on curvature and joint strength. Place 3 bands together, stagger the seam points slightly, and tape them into a single laminated piece. This prevents a single weak spot from failing. Once layered, gently bend into a claw curve and add a tape spine along the outer face to keep the curve. Make sure the inner face is smooth where it touches your finger. Attach the assembled claw to a snug base band so it won't slip during use. Finish by trimming and tuning for comfort and function, because small adjustments make big differences. Round the tip edges so they won't catch fabric, then test on a lightweight object to confirm grip and flex. If the claw feels loose, tighten the base band and add a short tape strap across the knuckle area. This stabilizes the pivot. Troubleshooting tip: if adhesive peels or seams split, insert thin cardstock strips between layers at the weak spot and retape. This restores rigidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.